Ebusiam 4 aha Ghana TV GH. Mesro like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded will be notified.
Nyama bi koso. My Judas, no, I can't follow this nonsense. What you say? And I'm trying to but Japan no. Even my children from me who say Japan, ne ma papa bi wonimu. Enti wo jira so beto aba. 2020 be campaign man we win. O win and beto aba. And what say yes, this time around. Member platform so my make campaign because there's good things in this man. So me a neutral person. Maybe make kind of question of yes. So allow him or say only party beer. Yes. So he's speaking. I have yes, I don't can because I didn't that you want parliamentarians oba say mutuam or say make sure say mark be so okwa say me here coin. ABC president on see factories. So what are they there for? You understand? But can stand talk among them? And yet said they only I want the mono and cost us our bemu. Can need to know any said
my problem is no matter how it is, you can say even coming up with BAWUMIA and Ken Japan. Let's say we are having bad leaders in the country.
Yeah.
At least you see, I don't say do when we take BAWUMIA and Ken Japan to stand on a puppet, we can is having a track record. The information now let's say
for that one, let me tell you, there's nowhere in Ghana here in the world that BAWUMIA can match Ken Japan. Don't even talk about it. Mismatch. Crack. Mismatch. Don't go there. Let's laugh.
That is the thing.
It's mismatch.
My brother.
Yes.
Hold on. And then BAWUMIA can match Ken Japan. Yes.
It's mismatch. No, don't go there. Don't go. Nobody can convince you.
Hold on.
In your dreams. In your dreams, BAWUMIA better than Ken Japan.
In what way? In what sense?
In terms of leadership,
In what sense? Hold on. Yeah, cow, I was sick of
economy
don't bring this. You all know what happened in Ghana. Don't bring the economy hypocrisy here. Don't bring the economy hypocrisy here.
And was saying, but the economy what are you telling us?
Oh, he
cannot match him. He cannot match him. It's a fact. It's a fact.
Oh, Ghana president for back. The empire no media Ghana.
And your mammy be was all your 14 voter or no?
Okay. Yes, okay. Fine. Mebao say Cassitia then will be the Ghana for
one was one tapping screen mine and I'm liking program and program very interesting. Today very hot.
Okay. I so because I said I person on Minnesota Ghana na so Ghana. But so Ghana is on share. Then na Ghana for no woman no munya first. And at the end as your mobile omanya. And we hear ben no woman and we hear ben as your woman before and now. And in future, gain a bit na ya na dey no why and I dey no mo person mo nye. And you dey measure since ya Ghana for omunya hwe film. Ma make say me sure. Yen fa fi rolling style. Ta mana rollings wo ho no. O ye bi ma Ghana se rollings anyi bi ya ma Ghana crampo na. O ye kwan bi sa time na sa kwan na ye very bad. so meaning so being from Kumasi Echo how do you call it in Kransa where's that coin now around Rolling Star is that coin up to now that coin a clean over ye be my Ghana for Kufo buy Kufo so buy they no to me ye my Ghana for Kufo the free matena buy a pin for no to me a qua a was on to me a woo omunye sika nko any sign the money nyina Kufo buy as meet me nyina but over ye be I no free your boy atam also buy no dey no catch Ghana for petrol boy din me ba maternal care no Ghana health care no man one time premium you must say say obuy no asem no kai no tumi ya na want me
Debi aboba mo sap topics but me mama ko topic in so me topic in the main topic in papa ni say ya to aba from 92 but yen hwe no kra me pacho me tie me
what you mean ka
me ye to nka nyabote tie memo abaso na o hwe ye hwe eye amampefo ye yi o ma baga na ha yen ka no kra apart from Dr. Kwame Nkrumah obaye obisi factories or your roads near there but roads in na can was him be the factories na opia can was him and me know we be to dances ye be the dance ampa most of the factories were e be collapse na dey nyina ho what you say but apart from Dr. Kwame Nkrumah no buy from 1992 basically this current president no president Awaba with a single factory for Ghana. This my main
single factory now can we see from the state government from the state resource and
exactly
or mobilizing
exactly
all right okay meba unim data kwa meba unim data kwa Nkrumah factories ni nyina gugu no
no I'm not talking about the
okay mamika say me show
and yes tell me give me if you just
no meba so I can see government any state money any factory there in this modern world me who government be we see we ni kotokomu sika dey say factory am government
ya kotokomu say o mani sika Nkrumah ya sika
no me
ni kotokomu that means or you no president until oyi from on mine scheme say me kasi ni kotokomu me kasi kotokomu Ghana sika nya sin kotokomu o kasi enko na eko o kasi enko Ghana screen or president Ghana screen yes in go to come
see
it starch factory why
me not offer you to was me can show me be sure the reason why it is a factory thing in ego no I mean can me sure
this modern state we coffin no be intimi nyi scale wo more the basic factory
yes
you see the problem
you see that is why my problem is no my brother you answer me I don't want you what you give me I don't allow you to do what you give me say President John Rollins obesi factory okay wife near bisa that's all we end it where Kufo besi where we end it maybe sir and I will not for it
Kufo is Breedam Mahama si Ghana gas.
Buddha Kufo not complete it.
No, Buddha is not a factory.
NDC for be we. No Musa si Ghana gas.
Buddha is not a factory.
Oh, now
a factory that produce something people work and bring it. When you almost have musika. Almost have musika. Buddha produce mama no musika people. But a factory that you go
offer me ba. The entire say we are say woman say ano. Tis need the twem ko but now say we are say ano. Gab aban bi ntumi see factory ma or mining say one. Young modern people we are say ano. That dream
You are trying to.
Every time I want on unya profit. And so one moment dio and so be a one for be and frame ye one makes feed ni ye. Inti enono unya ma obi or person or konko edwuma obejibi there be what government no na will take it on the responsibility. And I will hear akoko general farms. Now I hear 5,000 acres. Now akoko na machinery. No one employ the boys and the girls a person go into. No one year juma or no ma for be 5 years, 10 years. No what certify one more say more year juma ha no more certification now say mube go solo na mube ye mo juma. But you don't just take people off the street say obi a wo pen kokko no. Mr. Mahama. Mr. Mahama. Who advises you? Who advises you? Listen, this guy, Mr. Mahama, you need help. Because one more advice no me hu adwene wo mutirima wo dey advice. So, this gold issue is a very serious issue. Listen, we could be number one country in the Africa. Export to the most amount of gold. We could be the third in the world. There's number 6 in the world. We could be the third. But it all comes from serious strategic planning. Say gold, we should hold our gold. And yes, I will more beer pickers ni sofa so unko to gold nipi. No, that's dumb. Gold board. You cannot tell people to go and dig the gold and come sell it to you. Sami Jenfi, that's a dumb policy. Listen to me. Samo pesa mo bokro no dia ene sana moye. That's the only justification. Now pesa wo ye na Ghana pa nya ho a, that's dumb because you don't even have a refinery. Mo pesa gold board, if you want to be effective, the first thing you need to establish is a refinery. Why don't you have a refinery? Obie misas our question. The gold board ye bisamu. Why do you not have a refinery here in Ghana? Mumisa Sami Jemfi and the NDC. Why don't we have a refinery in Ghana? Why don't we have a refinery? Why don't we have a refinery? The same criminal things are MPP, the same thing NDC. Mokra de mo ye no West. Mobaya MPP for asay nyoma ewie sika MPP friend saying galamsi wo mo ye ense se wo mo ye wo mobaya se mo shut it down, the whole operation of galamsi. Na mo chi wo mo na mo cleaning out the system no mo buy a crowd there say mo cry na West. So I just don't understand Mr. Mahama. Me dream why I can't think far. I can't think far, Mr. Mahama. I can't think far. Say now we have a lot of people coming in with regrets. I regret voting for Mr. Mahama. The same people I know Kofi, it's too early to be asking Mr. Mahama questions. No, they now call me saying, I regret voting for the NDC. Mr. Mahama, you are a disappointment. Capital letters, disappointment. Me spell it, who spelling major disappointment. And you know, say you were a disappointment. And you knew, say you were going to trick Ghana for. Just said, they're all kind of and throw. And you knew it from even when you were saying it back then. They say, who didn't try just to get in? And it bothers me, say, you see, and going forward, Nagana Forni and Nemo can say, see, this is the same crop of politicians on the MPP side, on the ND side. It's the same way MPP didn't throw the power, the same way NDC didn't throw the power. Wama wamu beni na and the same in Trona no woman babidi. Woman ni adwene papa bia magana. All of them, and Trofon Kwan, because they were all part of this criminal MPP government just as much as they're part of the criminal NDC government. Inti obia ofri sa party si mu ba no, they are criminals. Ghana for yen kind of say na enkyere mo say obia ofri MPP mu ba and obi ofri NDC mu ba no or ye criminal. Or ye criminal. Muntie ni ye Ghana for. And if you have any doubt, go back and check the records. Mahama took us from 9 billion to 122 billion. I don't understand how Ghana for somebody who could not handle 9 billion, we would give him $744 billion to handle. Obi wo ho no mo man toothpick or the one who will warn any April ho. Wakoma no land to air missile. They are not the bay. One man weapons of mass destruction. Obi a woman a toothpick, $9 billion. Or the major destruction or the free 9 billion 122 billion cedis of debt. Yeah, the 760 billion cedis of debt they are. What is he gonna do? So this is common sense. This is not what I am saying. This is what the guy did. Well, the guy didn't do. How can a guy who cannot handle 9 billion be given $760 billion of debt? We gave him $9 billion of debt. He didn't have a clue how to fix it. We gave him $760 billion of debt. Now what do you think he's going to do? He's not even talking about debt. Gold board. Bring in the money. No nim say Ghana for masumya mudenti ya ni aye. Oh yeah program B. Jamahama donate we yakoma ayare for because onim say Ghana for light